Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful gold leaf dishes to add a little bit of a Midas touch to your dinner table. And we're going to make them even more exciting with Redesign with Prima decor transfers. Now on the dishes where we're only working on the back side of the plate, they are food safe so you can pile on the potatoes. On the other dishes where we're applying the transfer to the top of the plate, well, you're going to want to use these for cookies, crackers, and breads. Any way you make this project though, your dining table is going to look amazing. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's upstyle some dishes.
Glass vessels, such as drinking glasses, appeared about 1450 BC during the reign of Thutmose III, a pharaoh of the 18th dynasty of Egypt. Gold leafing is believed to have originated in Turkey more than 8,000 years ago and was commonly used by the ancient Egyptians, the Phoenicians, and eventually the early Europeans. From the 16th to the 18th century, dining became more elaborate. In the 16th century, it was normal for diners to share plates, but at this time the French court introduced the concept of separate plates. Then, by the mid-19th century, dining à la Russe, which means dining in the Russian style, came into vogue.
I'm going to leave a link to Redesign with Prima and the gold leaf and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.